What's up guys, this is Marc from Foodbeast, and my buddy Eli told me that I need to come here to Goodies in the Pantry to try their chicken shawarma. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm gonna try that sandwich and I'm gonna give you my top 3 picks. Here we go. Now, Goodies in the Pantry is a butcher shop in Orange, California that also has an entire deli menu. The owner, Claudio Giorgione, is carving up and smoking a bunch of quality meats. He's from Romania, so the country's cuisine has a heavy influence on the food he's serving up, including that shawarma I just mentioned. All right, we got the chicken shawarma from Goodies in the Pantry. Let's try it out. Holy Habibi, man. This is wild. I don't think I've had a shawarma with these flavors before. That dill really comes through. The potatoes cooked in that beef fat with garlic. And then the sauces that he's putting in. This is like a chicken shawarma from a whole nother world. Next up is this incredibly juicy, cheesy, and saucy pork belly sandwich. It's stuffed with a whole bunch of other goodies. Go. That is so juicy. Look at this cheese skirt of provolone. The pork belly is perfect. You got potatoes, you got tomatoes, and then you got that sauce that he just drenches the sandwich with, and then the provolone at the end. Some grilled provolone. It's beautiful. Now for some of the most tender smoked brisket you can find, served up in an absolutely loaded sandwich. All right, we got the brisket sandwich. Here we go. This thing is beautiful. Wow. That is the most tender brisket I've ever had. I can't stop. F***ing top class, man. I'm gonna have to rank these sandwiches right now. I got shawarma number 1, brisket number 2, and pork belly number 3. You can't stop by a butcher shop without grabbing a steak, so I grabbed Claudio's signature tomahawk on the way out. Wow. Don't forget some tasty sides too, like macaroni salad and the mashed potato with brisket dripping gravy. You heard that right, brisket dripping gravy. What? Dude. Some really good mashed potatoes, dude. Oh my God. Come out to Goodies in the Pantry right here in Orange, California. Check these guys out. That's my top 3 sandwiches, baby. Until next time, you're watching Foodbeast. This is Marc.